Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar. We're starting on the 1 hour time frame. So, dollar, I mean, the trend followers are definitely killing it still on the dollar. Very, very strong. It went up well above the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame, so most likely it is going to break the daily time frame breaker structure. So, very, very, very bullish for sure. Now we are pulling back a little bit right now, but there's no break of structure, so this pullback could possibly be just a pullback to the last wave up. So keep very, very close to your Fibonacci levels on maybe a little bit of a sort of time frame and observe to see if this right here is like a three-way pullback or whether it's a brand new impulsive move to the downside. I think there's a good chance it probably is another three-way pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.